today's video we've actually got something pretty special to do. So I've got a strobe light for Callie. Bear in mind, this at the moment, I want it to be somewhere on the front of this. You've got a number of different things you can actually do with this light. So we've got our fob, which actually looks a little bit strange. We've got the strobe light here like so, and I can have this here, but the only issue means I'm going to lose majority of the light, and I'm not really digging that. Even if I bring it down here, I'll still be losing some, not as much, but I will be losing some. But it could also fill up this whole grill section here, so that's where it could go. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly pop the front bumper off now. I say pop it off, I'm just going to take the front of this off and just see really what I can work with. So this is what I've done, guys. Come over here and check this out quickly. So what I've done, I've got this light here, and I've actually got this running up now in between the side of this headlight here, running through the crack here, just past this pipe here, well, just past this electric pipe here, and yeah, so it's just got all our wiring looming. And I've just got the box, and for now, I've just got the box just sitting in next to the side of the battery, for now, just so it's in place, because I can then cable tie that to this or whatever, just to keep that in place, which is handy dandy. And not just that, it also keeps all the wiring out the way of either any other electrics or any wires or water, or it just keeps it in a safe place. We've got 5 wires here, so I'm quickly show you guys on what these do. Obviously you've got your positive and negative, so your black is negative, your red is positive, and then you've got your 2 green wires here like so. You've got these 2 greens, and then you've got this 1 yellow. The yellow is if you wanted to connect this light actually to your brake lights, and then you've got your 2 greens, 1 for your left and 1 for your right indicator. These 3 we are going to be cutting off. We don't need these 3 wires, just because 1, we're not planning on using these for anything that we need. So these are literally just junk to us, so for now I'll leave them out the way. And then we've also got our positive and negative. So guys, what I'm doing now here, I'm literally just stripping back the wires. So I've got my negative and my positive, and all I'm really doing at the moment, I'm just taking the rubber off the front of the wire, so obviously at least I can actually get access to that cable. So from my yellow prong fork, I bring this through like so. I'm just gonna connect this up like that, just so it's got something to actually feed off. That's connected with the solid earth. Voila! Do the same thing with this one. Get these crimpers, crimpers, my pliers should I say. Make sure it's got enough force on it, and then just squeeze that nice and tight. Just like so. Wires all connected on both positive and negative, which is our black wire. Put this inside the battery. I'm just going to do the battery up now like so. Very, very, very straightforward. Loosen that up. Get our positive lead also, and just bring this here down to here. Whoops, and it's already on. So we know it's working, but we can't be showing you too much of this light quite yet, because yeah, we got some ideas. So we're gonna have a nice tight fit onto that. So guys, what I've done at the moment is, instead of having the light facing downwards, I've actually got the light now facing outwards into the grill. I'm choosing a bunch of cable ties at the minute, but in the meantime, my idea, I just want to make sure that it's actually going to work. I'm happy with that at the minute. Let's tidy this up, rebuild this bumper, and see what we can do. So at the minute, I'm quite happy with this, guys. And what I'm going to do is tidy everything up, get everything all set in situ. That's, I reckon that's going to be Callie's mode. It looks like perfect, I find. And from here you can barely see the light, but you can see enough of it, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm going to tighten everything up, snip everything all off, get our plate back on, and get the hell out of here. But we got Callie. Callie's alive. Yes! So, just like so, I'm going to rebuild this one up. Like so. Tighten this one up. This one up. And this one up. Callie's bumper's all done. So guys, just like that, this is what I've done now. So I've actually put a cable tie now around here just to hold this box in place like so. So this box isn't going absolutely anywhere. No, so this is all hunky-dory, handy-dandy. That's solid, that's good. And then I've actually got the my positive and negative cable just coming up and around here with another cable tie, just holding them in place. Then obviously you've got your positive and negative on the battery. And then I've also put a cable tie around this loom here, just to keep this, from either, touching any of the wires or, the earthing out or anything like that. So that just keeps these cables in place, which they are pretty safe. They're all wrapped up anyway. But yeah, just kind of keeps it, a bit more out the way. If I really wanted to, I could probably cable tie it down here just to give a bit more of an OEM look, but it's not going to really look noticeable. But that doesn't really bother me, but, it might bother some of you, so keep that in mind. But just like that, the wires now run down here. You can't even see the wires under here. The light you can't really see at all. You can just about make it out from in here. So by here, but other than that, you can't really see it. And yeah, so at the moment, I'm pretty happy with it. It looks good. But don't forget, guys, if I can do it, you can do it. And don't forget, you've always got it. You've always got to do it. Just push yourself to your limits. No one's going to be able to stop you apart from yourself. So remember, guys, if I can do it, of course you can do it. And I'll see you guys later. Don't forget, of course you got it. Peace.
Silent streets ain't whispering, black paint slicker than a shark's fin. Headlights squint, got the night on its leash. Tires kiss the asphalt, steady preaching peace. Speakers thump harder than a bass drum wall. Windows crack just enough for the roar. Smells like freedom, gas and dreams. Callier, the Corsa, the queen supreme. Callier, Callier, the shadow glider. Blacked out body, the night's inside her. Callier, Callier, my rebel ride. Through the city, no place to hide. Callier, Callier, the shadow glider. Blacked out body, the night's inside her. Callier, Callier, my rebel ride. Through the city, no place to hide. Rims spin tales of 100 chases. Street lights bow when she graces places. Mirror reflections of Panther's ghosts. Callier on the move, she don't boast. Roads part ways like they know the drill. Engine hum low, giving hearts a thrill. She a highway prophet, preaching that calm. Callier, the Corsa, my lucky charm. Callier, Callier, the shadow glider. Blacked out body, the night's inside her. Callier, Callier, my rebel ride. Through the city, no place to hide. Callier, Callier, the shadow glider. Blacked out body, the night's inside her. Callier, Callier, my rebel ride. Through the city, no place to hide. No seatbelt sermon, just a smooth escape. Callier purrs like a lion in a velvet cape. Dreams ride shotgun, fears in the trunk. She drifts through the night, leaving myths unsung. Callier, Callier, the shadow glider. Blacked out body, the night's inside her. Callier, Callier, my rebel ride. Through the city, no place to hide. Callier, Callier, the shadow glider. Blacked out body, the night's inside her. Callier, Callier, my rebel ride. Through the city, no place to hide.
flash like danger.